Hey, it's Kia, and I've got 5 tips on how you can design a great logo. A logo is how you introduce your business to the world, but if you're not a graphic designer, it can be difficult to get it just right. So let's get into the tips. Number 1, keep it simple. Simplicity makes your logo easy to view and remember. While it can be tempting to come up with a bunch of ideas and jam them into one design, it can make your logo look a little busy or just plain ugly. The best way to avoid this common mistake is to use no more than 3 colors, with one of those colors being either black or white. Also, try not to use more than 2 fonts, with one being ideal, unless you have a monogram or a slogan. Another way to keep your design simple is to use creative flourishes with caution. Number 2, make it memorable. An effective logo uses an uncomplicated but punchy design. It stands out by using a bold font or an easy-to-remember shape. Take the IKEA logo, for example. Its blue blocky font and yellow oval container make it easy for the brain to process. By choosing a bold symbol, layout, or font, but keeping simplicity in mind, you can make your logo stand out in an ocean of brands. Number 3, test for versatility. An effective logo should look good across a variety of platforms, both online and in print. To test your design, ask yourself a few questions. Does this logo look good in one color? Can it be used in the space as small as a business card or as large as a billboard? Can it be used in reverse, white on a black background, or vice versa? The Adidas logo is a great example of a versatile design. It doesn't waste any space. Consider making a monogram or a symbol-only version of your logo. This can fit into social media profiles or favicons. Number 4, ask, is it appropriate? Your logo is supposed to give your company an identity. That means you have to consider what kinds of products and services that you offer, and also the market that you serve. Do your research. Know what kinds of colors and fonts are good for your industry, what attracts your customers. It's not only about what you like. Number 5, create for the long term. You want a logo that will last for years to come, so beware of flashy trends or competing elements. Take Coca-Cola's logo, for example. Its classic wordmark logo has only undergone a few minor changes since 1885. On the other hand, Pepsi has rebranded many times and has spent millions of dollars on logos that only last a few short years. If you want a timeless logo, be sure to subtract everything that feels flashy and extra. You'll thank yourself later. And there you have it, 5 tips for designing a great logo. Keep it simple, make it memorable, test for versatility, ask, is it appropriate, and create for the long term. Ready to start designing your logo? Click the link below to get started for free. This was Kia. Thanks for watching and have fun designing.